What is going on? We are back on the way to the lake. It's been a while. I hope that sun ain't too bad. Where's that coming from? From up there. I really hope the sun isn't too bad. I'm excited. We're headed back out to the lake. It is fall fishing. This is the best time of year for me. When I was up north, normally I was just brutal at fall fishing. But now, this time of year, last year, I crushed them. And this year I already got a 7-pounder, a couple 5s, and some 4s. So hopefully we can go ahead, put some big ones in the boat. I'm gonna spend all afternoon out there. We'll have a decent afternoon. Hopefully we've got some wind out there. I've really been having more success when that wind has been blowing really hard. So we'll get some gas in the boat, and we'll see you on the ramp. Ooh, yep, there he is. Little guy. I think. He definitely don't seem very big. No, he's not. Ooh, he got just barely the back troubles. Just barely got the back troubles. Oh, and that's why I used the net. Just came out. This is definitely the smallest bass I have caught out here. That thing is maybe 2 pounds. Let's put him in the box and see how many we can get for our best 5 for this afternoon. What the heck? Oh my gosh, that scared the crap out of me. Jeez. Oh my gosh. As I'm throwing a top water. Holy smokes. I think I was sitting down. My gosh. There's one. There's one. Come on, baby. Off the back of the boat. Feels decent. Feels decent. As soon as that wind picked up, I knew what to do. Once it's dead calm, that's where I struggle. There we go. Get this baby in the boat. Nope, don't do that. Don't do that. Dang it, I need to get a better net. What I'm talking about, baby. Once that wind start blowing, I know what to do. Oh, come on. Chill out, Larry. 4-pounder. Put it in the box. Grinded for that second one, but so I started out here this afternoon, first spot. We're fishing these similar areas, and I got that one, but it just didn't feel right. It just was not the right time, not the right conditions. And as soon as I noticed that the wind started picking up, I knew what to do. So let's go ahead and see if we can catch some more. I think I have a pretty good idea how they're positioned for us to hopefully get a good limit in the bag. There's another one. This one definitely is not nearly as big. Not even that. I don't even know if that's gonna keep. I mean, that's 12 inches. We'll put him in there, but we definitely got to go ahead. We definitely got to go ahead and get rid of him. I mean, that's. I guess I'll keep him in there. He ain't very big though. Well, that wasn't cool. Just cast my crankbait off. I'm not gonna take my eyes off of it. Must have hit some rocks and it was just super weak. I don't really see it, but I have an idea of where it is. I think I might see it. No, that's a bubble. Yep, no, that's another bubble. Dang, really? It's around here somewhere. Come on. This thing's gonna be so hard to find. Seriously? So hard to see the little top of it in these waves. That thing actually might be gone. It's in this area somewhere. Well, she gone. That was a fishy crankbait too. I caught some good fish on that one. Dang it. There's one. There we go. Kept that bait down there. Just kept that bait down there that whole time. Just barely taking it off them rocks. Let's go. Still looking for that giant though. No. See? Crankbait just came out. It's a 2 3/4 3-pounder. It's number 4. Put him in the box. Let's go. Oh, right at the boat. Whoa. Get in the boat. Right at the boat. And it came off. Hey, we'll take it. That's number 5. Come here, buddy. Oh, come here. Calm down. Listen. Listen. Oh, you spined me, son of a gun. Relax. Followed it right at the boat. That's number 5. See if we can get some more and call out. That thing literally, I don't know, maybe those wakeboard waves and the jet ski waves, you know, push them towards my lure. God, it's so annoying though. They're freaking everywhere. There's no bass boats out. There's a tournament this morning. There's no one else out. We got 5. Really looking for that 5, 6 plus. Let's see if we can get it. Why? No one else around. I'm literally the only one in the middle here, and they decided to go within 30 yards of me. Like, literally just ran over my line. Jeez. Unbelievable. Same guy. You gotta be kidding me. Really? Really? Unreal. Yeah, now he stops his boat. Come on, come confront me. That's what I thought. He did the same thing to me not too long ago. And he just did the exact same thing again, except probably came even close to that time. Gosh, I just don't get it. If I can cast over your boat, you're way too close. Just annoying. People are just so inconsiderate. It's like you have the whole freaking lake and you're gonna go ahead and... Oh, I got one. I gotta go.
Okay, love you.
Love you too, bye.
Bye.
Oh, let's go. On the phone with my wife and we hook up. Good luck charm. It actually feels like a decent one, I think. All right, nothing big, but it'll call out one of the small ones that we have if I can get it in the boat. Oh yeah, this thing absolutely destroyed it. Destroyed this thing. Tell me if you think he wanted that. I would say yes. There we go. That's gonna go ahead. Look at that. You think he wanted it? I'm gonna need the, yeah, I need the pliers for this one. Literally on the phone with my wife. And next thing you know, this guy just decided to eat. And it's down there. That's gonna call. Not a bad little call right there. Yay!
Walk in the front door now and absolutely nothing's in your way.
Oh, I got another one. I got another one. You're good luck. This thing absolutely crushed it. All right, I gotta go.
Okay, love you.
You're good luck. Love you. Yay! Let's go. This is the second one. This actually, if this is not foul hooked, it's a good fish. If it's not foul hooked, it's a good fish. Yeah, this has got some weight to it. Where's my net? All right. Please don't be foul hooked. I don't think it's foul hooked. I don't think, but if it didn't, then this thing just sideswiped, absolutely trucked that bait. Man, my wife is good luck. Let's go. Please don't be foul hooked or be a catfish. Please don't be a foul hooked or be a catfish. It's acting like the way that that catfish was foul hooked. Oh man. Sun's going down. I'm the only one out here. Please don't be a catfish or be foul hooked. Come on, be a bass. In the mouth. My line's a little bit jacked up from these rocks. Please be a bass. Please be a bass. Oh, it's a catfish. I knew it. No. No. Dang it. It's a freaking catfish. Look at that thing. Come on. Dang. This son of a gun's gonna mess up this crankbait. Dang it. All right, Here is the first one. 273. So 2 3/4. Yay! Oh yeah, these things are still lively. Oh, come here. Number 2. This is our smallest one. 165. Oh yeah. .202. Number 4. It's definitely gonna go 3 something. Come on. .202. Come on. 3. Oh my gosh, that boat. Come on. 315 for that one, so just under 3 1/4. And then the biggest one of the day. Is this one. That one 462. 462. A little over 4 1/2. Look how fat. Beautiful fish. All right. So that's a grand total of, it's a pretty weak limit, to be honest with you. We called once, we got 6 fish, 6 bass. And that's probably really loud. We got 6 bass and a cat. Called once for a total of, I don't know if that you can see that, 14.19. Not the best, but hey, it's only gonna get better. I guarantee you, as the weeks go on, it starts to get cooler, these bigger fish are gonna show up. I mean, we got a 7-pounder 2 weeks ago. The last video, which I haven't edited yet, if you haven't watched it, go watch it, because it's gonna be out before this one is. You know, we got one that was almost 6. I'll link that one below. So if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.